Hello, scrappers! Today I'm going to be scrapping this. This is a Black & Decker. Black & Decker 3/8 drill, variable speed. Yeah. Been in that other garage forever. Look at that, comes with a... Still turns. Comes with a free drill bit too. I mainly only just want to get the copper out of this. Now you could just cut this wire and throw this in your copper bearing bucket. That's what a lot of people do. Not me, I want every morsel of copper I can get out of this. Right, and if it's got one of these on it, it's got copper in there. See what the sucker weighs before I take it all apart. About 3 pounds. Now, judging by the rust on this, we won't be taking this apart too much. Pretty much just smash and grab on that copper. Ooh, those went right through the other motor housing. This might be an easy one. I've seen this before. Got another screw here. That's cast aluminum. Maybe I can get this little brass bushing out of here. Kind of like to get this cast aluminum out. Yuck. Alright. This is going right in the 10 bucket, just the way it is. Yeah. Get some of this poop off of here. Somebody went and pooped in my drill. Get some of the poop out of there. Now these little brass bushings gonna slide out nice for me, I hope. They usually do. There I go, using my hand for a hammer again. Oh, maybe it taps out this way. There's that one. Maybe they got flanged on them. Maybe they got to go out the other way. They don't look brass now. They look like they're steel. Yeah, those had to come out anyways. This one looks like it's brass. There she goes. Where'd it go? Lost. It'll turn up. Always does. Just like all the other scrap that gets lost. It'll turn up eventually. I'll find it. Eventually. Ooh. Oh, there's way too much epoxy on that to make it worth my time trying to chisel that out. But I am going to try splitting the computer open, getting the number 2 copper out of this. Sharp edges. Yeah, this will go in the copper bearing motor bucket. Those look like rivets. One there for sure. Some number 2 insulated. Another piece of 10. Got some brass from the brush housing. There's another little piece of bronze right there, or brass, and it looks like aluminum. I'll be tapping that out. Got the brass. What was that? Plastic. Now let's see if I can get this aluminum. Oh, I hammered right through the side of it. Let's try the other side now. Got most of it. I got all of it. That's cast aluminum. Now, how do I get this out? Let me just nip into this first and see, because this looks like it might be aluminum. I think that's copper, all right. Then cut the plastic here and get into it from this side. Why am I using those ones? These ones got longer handles on them. More leverage. Longer handle always means more leverage. So now maybe I can cut it from this side. That's looking like aluminum. Let's only do one side in case it's aluminum. Maybe I'll get lucky and the whole thing will break. Actually, it looks like I might. Looks like I can chisel that out. Oh, done. That was easy. Nope. Only knocked out the little brush housing. Yeah, that's aluminum. Darn it. Definitely not copper. I'm going to throw this in the tin bucket. I'll get tin price for this. That's only aluminum. Win some, you lose some. Some more tin for the tin bucket. Some more brass. Number 2 copper, or number 2 insulated. A wire nut. I wonder if that was a factory wire nut. I wonder if that's something Black & Decker put in there. Oh my goodness, I hope not. Right, because drills, there's a lot of vibration in a drill. That'd be the last place you'd want a wire nut. So forward reverse right there, it looks like. Now for the plug end. Got some more number 2 insulated. Just the way that is. Pull out the ends. We got more brass and some copper. Let's see if there's any brass in here. I bet there is. That's why this end's all mushroomed out. It's got some weight to it. It's a lot more than just plastic here. There we go. Oh, there it is. Copper, copper, copper. That's a transistor. That's more copper. Some more tin. So not too bad. This is all plastic. Looks like we're done. Let's see how we did. We got 2 3/4 pounds. That gives us a little over 1/4 pound of number 2 insulated. Still can't believe there was a wire nut inside of that. That's not safe. Half a pound of electric motor. That's definitely copper. And an ounce of cast aluminum. Just down my electric motors. Let's see how much tin we got. Now if I tried calling this irony aluminum, They do give me 10 price for it anyways. They say there's not enough in there. So, some tin for the tin bucket. And that was a little over 1 3/4 pounds. I'm all sticky from the grease now. Now for the good stuff. A 1/2 ounce of brass. And 1 ounce of number 2 copper. Times are getting tough. You never know, you might need that. So just remember guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.